How to unpin someone on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you pinned chat with someone at the top and now want to unpin that same chat but don't know how to do it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to unpin someone on Instagram. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. As you can see, I have pinned 3 chats with someone on Instagram. Generally, you can find pinned chats at the top with the pin icon. Let's unpin the chat with the first person at the top. All you need to do is long press on the conversation. Here, you will find the option to unpin. Tap on it. As you can see, once I have unpinned the chat, it is no longer appearing at the very top. If you wish to start the conversation with that same person, all you need to do is scroll down and search for the conversation done with them. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to unpin chats with someone on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.